When I got the call about my blood test results, it really shook me up. Hearing about the high blood pressure count just sent me into a tailspin of emotions. I mean, the thought of having to deal with diabetes treatment was terrifying. But oddly enough, in the midst of all that fear and anxiety, I found a glimmer of hope. It's like facing that fear head on lit a fire in me. It gave me this newfound determination to tackle whatever came my way. Yeah, so after that wake up call, every meal decision felt like a life or death situation. It sounds dramatic, I know, but it's true. Suddenly, everything I ate had to be meticulously planned out. I had to cut out all the usual suspects cereal, biscuits, even fruits like grapes and bananas. They were all off the menu, no questions asked. It's like a switch flipped in my brain, and there was no going back to the old way of eating. Starting this whole journey towards better health was daunting, to say the least. I mean, changing your entire eating style. That's no small feat. But with the guidance of the healthcare pros, I realized it wasn't as impossible as it seemed at first. Surprisingly, my existing eating habits weren't all that bad to begin with. It was just a matter of tweaking things here and there to make them healthier. Fast forward to now, and I feel like I've come out the other side of a whirlwind. My blood sugar levels are finally under control, thank goodness. It's been a journey, let me tell you. From feeling totally overwhelmed to now feeling like I've got a handle on things. My main focus now is just staying on track. Every day I wake up with this sense of relief and determination to keep up the good work. And I have to give credit where it's due. Folks like Chris Harding have been absolute lifesavers guiding me through this roller coaster ride towards a healthier me.